Hi, welcome to Nayak. My name is Nagasai and I am a design engineer. Today we are diving into an awesome world called design. It's like a secret sauce that turns everything around us ordinary to extraordinary. So let's jump right in. Imagine waking up one day and your bed is not just a bed, it's a spaceship that takes you straight to the breakfast. That's design, turning ordinary things into extraordinary things. So what is design? It's not about making things pretty. It's also about making things work brilliantly. So whatever you love, maybe your games, toys, the couch, sofa, chair, whatever you're sitting on and I'm sitting on, it's all designed by someone. Okay, so if you like drawing, building, making stuff, or doodling, congrats, you are a mini designer. Anyone cannot get onto the design path. Designers are just like big kids, they have the license to create. Okay, we use our creativity to dream of fun and come up with something amazing. So, design thinking. What is design thinking? It's our superpower. Design thinking is not magic. Okay, it's not rocket science. So, whenever there is a problem, designers be like, yeah, challenge accepted, and then they turn them into cool stuff. Designing is like a roller coaster. We come up with an idea, we go wild, we make sketches, we build prototypes, sometimes we break them, again build, until we have an amazing thing. So it's a ride full of surprise and joy. The design adventure is so amazing. Ever wished your toy could do something special? Designers listen to what you want and they turn your wishes into reality. So it's like having your dreams come true, but one design at a time. Now let's talk about the fun part, colors and materials. Designers choose their colors and materials to make their creations pop up. It's like being a chef. But instead of cooking, they are creating designs. But hold on, designers can be superheroes too. We choose the colors, materials that are kind to the earth, making sure our designs are friendly for the mother nature. Designing is not always like a walk in the park. Designing can sometimes be challenging too. So this is what makes it interesting. The design journey is very adventurous. So we go through those challenges, we come up with even cooler stuff. Wrapping it up, designing is not just for grown-ups, it's for everyone. Whether you are playing with your toys or doodling on your notebook, you are on a path to become a designer. So yeah, be excited and have fun. Thanks for joining us in this video. Tune into Nayak for more videos. We will come up with design in detail where you can learn many things about designing. How to make cars, or build a website, or how to create paintings and all. The designing is a vast world, so you can keep exploring. With this, I'm closing it. Thanks for joining me on this ride through the fantastic world of design. Go ahead, dream big, create, and who knows, maybe you'll be the one designing the next big thing. Until then, stay creative. For more videos, subscribe to Nayak, like this video, and if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section.